Dear soulmate, I hope your smile is as beautiful as I see in my dreams. I am waiting for you in a sea of 7 billion. Dear soulmate, I am here. I am learning to take care of myself so that I can take care of you in the future. I'm alone, but I'm not lonely. These lips have kissed all the wrong people so that I can learn to kiss you the right way. And I'm going through heartbreaks, these heartbreaks that hurt like hell, so that I can understand true love, the love that I will give to you. And I'm practicing being alone so we can be alone together. When shall we meet? Meet me at the right place, at the right time, when I'm the right person. For now, I will be here, chasing my dreams. I will be here, gathering experiences and trying to understand the world, making myself happy and whole, because I know then, and only then, is when we will meet.